So today we're gonna be looking at some uh, crypto coins, um, how things are going on with these coins, and what are the um, expected move in coming days for these cryptos. So here we are on the daily chart of BTC USDT, and it is obvious from the chart that we are moving in this range, which is started from this 40896, and it is extended toward 29987 area. So as long as we are this in this range, the trend is not clear. So um, the best trade setup would be to wait until the price break out of this range. So we can break in either direction. So let's suppose if we break to the upside of this area of resistance of 4T18896, then we can enter buy trade on a retest. The target will be this area, and next target will be this area. So we could probably be seeing a bullish move up to 48,983 if we get a break toward the upside in coming days. So but if we get a break below this range, so we'll see BTC moving toward 23,896 and also toward this 19,500 or 534 area. So right now these are the current scenario that can happen in this Bitcoin market. So we need to wait until it breaks either to the upside for continuation to the upside, or if it break below, we will see the BTC moving toward the downside. So yeah, so that's what I got for the BTC. Let's have a look on Ethereum. So on the daily chart, as we can see, uh, that this area, the green zone that I have just mentioned, was a support area there, then resistance area there, then we get a break to the upside, we came back, we spiked to the upside, and again we came back last week and move around this area, and then finally move to the upside. So this is the sign of strength for the Ethereum right now. So but the best scenario would be to wait until we get a break to the upside of this area and a retest uh, in order to other move to the upside. So we need to wait until we break above 2328 area. So if we get a break to the upside, then we'll see the Ethereum moving toward the 2900 level. So yeah, so that's what I got for the Ethereum. But uh, if we get a close below this area of support, like, and if we fail to break to the upside and we just go to downside, then uh, this area would again serve as a support. So we will see how the price reacts on this area if we get a downside move. So if we get a rejection candle or some bullish price action here, like this kind of reaction, bullish price action, so it could send the Ethereum to higher. But if we do get a break to the downside and a retest, then we would see the Ethereum moving back toward 1200 or even 1000 mark. So we'd be very cautious for now with Ethereum. So the best scenario would be wait until the price break to the upside of this area. Let me just zoom in, and yep, so this area should have to be broken clearly to the upside and a retest in order to another bullish move to the upside. So that's what I got for Ethereum. So that's what I got for the Ethereum. Let's have a look on some of other currency pair crypto pairs, crypto coins. So this is the LTC Litecoin, and if we see on the weekly time frame, so this area was a resistance zone that get a break to the upside retest, and we saw this bullish move. Right now we again came back to this area, and we just started moving around this support. So for me, um, I need to see a clear breakout of this zone in either direction. So let's have a look on the daily to um, tell you some more what I was thinking about this. So we need to see, as we have intact with this support area. So if we get a break to the upside and came back to retest this area, uh, I will zoom in later, but right now let's see with this time frame. So if we get a break to the upside retest, then we would see LTC moving toward 180 level, and a break to the upside followed by a retest would send it higher toward uh, 221.70 level. So uh, let's have a look on this scenario on the 4-hour chart so that you can see clearly what I'm saying. Yeah, so I was talking about this area of resistance. So as we are hopping around this support green zone support area, so and if we get a break to the upside off of this area, which is let me see, which is 148.14 level. So if we get a break above 148 level and a retest, it will send the LTC higher toward 180 mark. So right now we're seeing how the price reacts off of this resistance area. So a break to the upside will send it to the upside direction. But if we see on the daily, I have marked up this zone. So like if we don't get a break to the upside and we came back to the downside, then this area of 119.55 would be worth seeing. So I will be seeing how the price react at this area. So if the bearish price action have to continue, it need to break below this area and a retest, then it will send LTC below toward 90.44 levels. So just seeing how the price reacts on this area, a break above would send it to higher, and the break below this 119.55 to send it to lower. And as long as we are between these levels, so we are in a range bound phase. So that's why what I got for the LTC. Let's have a look on Chainlink. Um, so this is the daily time frame Chainlink. Um, so as we can see, this was the area of resistance, broken to the upside, followed by a retest and moved back to upside. We came back again to this area, spiked, and then moved to the upside. And right now we are moving around this area. So for me, it is in a range bound as long as we are between 20.243 and 16.084. So if we get a break to the upside of this area, it will send the link higher toward 24.148, and if we get a break below 16.084, then it will send it toward 10.779. So that's the possible scenarios for the Chainlink. Again, for the deeper perspective, have a look on the 4-hour chart to see what I'm saying. So we are moving in this range. So as we can see, this was a range. So we need to wait until we get a break to the upside, a retest, and then it will send the link to the higher. And but if we don't get a break to the upside and instead of this we move back to this area, so we need to see until it break to the downside, and then this will send it lower toward this area. So that's what I got for the chain link. So do let me know if you have any question about this. So bye for now, have a good day.